How to verify FBS account. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your FBS trading account and complete the identity verification process. First of all, launch open the FBS website on a web browser. Type in fbs.com and search, and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page or the dashboard of FBS Trader account, go ahead and click on the Profile Settings button from the left-hand side menu, and on the next page you'll see the Get Verified button. Click on that. Go ahead and select your country and click Continue. Then you'll need to go ahead and select a document type you can upload. You can choose driving license, ID card, or password. Make sure to select any one of them that you can provide and click on Continue. Now, upload your government-issued ID. Make sure that the name is clear, the photo is not blurry, and the document is not expired. And to do so, click Continue. And then allow camera access on your device. And make sure the document is in the frame, clearly visible, and take a screenshot and take a photo of your document. You can also continue this on your phone by clicking Continue on phone and following through the instructions. After verifying with your document, the verification usually takes minutes to 24 hours. You'll get an email or the app notification once it is approved. Just make sure to use real information. Do not crop or edit documents. Good lighting helps faster approval, so make sure that you upload the correct document with correct lighting. So right after you do that, you will be able to verify your account on FBS. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more simple trading guides. See you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.